This is Nesta's farm. And that is Nesta. This is Nesta's farm. Welcome to Nesta's farm. As you know, the dry weather is on. Tomato. And there's work to be done. And with work to be done, my grandmother is supposed to work. And this is my grandmother's farm. This whole thing is my grandmother's farm. Imagine how hard it is to work every single day. Wake up so early and go to sleep so late. Imagine if that was you. Today we're going to be showing you what Nesta Bilinji does. An activity. She's weeding, and as you can see, there's a lot of weeds on the floor, on the dirt. I'm going to help her. This is a cabbage, if you didn't know. Okay, when we're finished weeding, we're going to see the animals. Meanwhile, I'll go and show you the animals. We are the ones who fight for some, no time alone. All the time we tell you. Those are eggplants. This is a sugar apple tree. These are chives. Some people call them chives. And these are damsels. My grandmother has the biggest farm. If it's not, I don't know who has the biggest farm. Not in the country, not in the world, in the neighborhood. That's what I know. There are the animals. We have goats, sheep, and bunnies. I named most of them. Mostly one. This one, Megsy. Thomas. I haven't named that one yet because it just got born. This is Megsy's mommy. Megsy's sister. Megsy's sister. Megsy's son. Megsy's brother. Megsy's brother. This is a sheep. Zoom it in. This is another sheep that's making a child. This is the most nicest sheep, or evilest sheep. And there are other sheep over there. As you can see, a fight is happening right now with the two brother, well, the nephew and the aunt fighting. Let's go on to the rabbits. As you all know, rabbits / bunnies are adorable, and we are going to show you them while they're lying. I'll open the gate and show you guys. That is adorable. That's their feed. They haven't eaten yesterday. They don't really like it. Oh no, don't you dare. I will slap you if you do dare. You see? Don't like it. Don't you? Oh, you do. You want some? Shoo, go over. Scoots. Scoots. There we go. Got their breakfast. First, they lived in there, small. Next, they lived in here for 2 seconds. And now they live in here. One rabbit is supposed to be in there, 2 in here, and 3 in here. Because it has 1 section, 2 sections, and 3 sections. This has 1 section and 2 sections. This has 1 section, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so cute. That is adorable. Anyways, let's go on with the tour. It's very early. It's actually 7:58 in the morning. It's big, bright, and Saturday. Oh, I forgot. We have some fowls / turkeys, not turkeys. We have some chicken, black chickens that are called foals. This one is a hen, and those are cocks. There are 3 cocks and 1 hen. This hen was very, very young. First when I saw it when it was a baby, I thought it was a black chicken because it was mixed up with those chickens over there, which were white. But now they're gone. But yeah. This video shall now be ended. If you want to see something funny. Oh my gosh. They threw away the water. The bunnies threw away the water. Look at that. He's watching outside. He's the baddest sheep in all the land. There's my grandmother. They threw away the water, now I have to change it again. But these animals are very annoying. I literally just changed this water and now I have to change it again. What's the sense of washing out the bowl and it just got washed? Almost broke my finger. There we go. Lush, beautiful, bright green. Alas, it's Saturday. Doo-doo-doo. I wish I could eat that. Just looks so delicious. King. My hands are so dirty. Anyways. Bye! Bye, everybody. I shall see you next week.